Good morning, class. Happy Thursday. Today's lesson for math is lesson 38. We're going to talk about some fractions and mixed numbers on a number line. Before that, let's tackle our power-up. It's power-up D today, a division power-up. Make sure you start with your name on it. It's tough to give you credit without a name. We'll divide going across. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Second column, 0 divided by 6 is 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 54 divided by 6 is 9. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 42 divided by 7 is 6. Last column, 48 divided by 6 is 8. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And 64 divided by 8 is 8. All right, lesson 38 is on page 233. 233. A says, Lee purchased 5 dozen eggs. How many eggs is that? You need to know that a dozen equals 12, and you got 5 groups of 12. 5 times 2 is 10. 0 down, 1 up. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 60. 60 what? 60 eggs. B. It says round 615 to the nearest hundred, then add 800. 615, is that closer to 600? Should we stay? Or is it closer to 700? Should we go up? Underline the 6. Look at the 1. 1 through 4, I don't get no more. So I'm going to stay at 600. Now I'm going to add 800. Zeros and zeros and zeros. And 6 plus 8 is 14. 1,400. C says, 1 CD case weighs 70 grams. 10 CD cases weighs how many grams? We got 70 times 10. I'm going to hang that 0 out. Bring that 0 down. 1 times 0 is 0. And 1 times 7 is 7 grams. 700 grams. D. 24 hours is 1 day. How many hours is in 5 days? 24 groups of 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 down, 2 up. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 120. What? Days. E. When I say 50%, you say 1/2. Hopefully you're saying that out loud, because then you'll be able to remember when it comes to your test. When I say 50%, you say 1/2. 1/2 of 80 cents. Divide by the bottom number, multiply by the top. 2 goes into 8 4 times, and 2 goes into 0 0 times. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 80 is 40 cents. F says 25% of 80. When I say 25%, you say 1/4 of 80. Divide by the bottom number. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 80 divided by 4 is 20 cents. G, please, 10% of 80 cents. When I say 10%, you say 1/10. 80 divided by 10 is 8 cents. Okay. Calculation along the bottom. 6 times 6 equals 36. Minus 6 equals 30. Divided by 6 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. Minus 6 equals El Zicho. All right, 0 is our answer. Problem solving, problem of the day. Choose an appropriate problem to solve this problem. Linda wrote a multiplication problem and erased one of the factors and one of the digits from the product. She gave it to Laurel as a problem-solving exercise. Copy Belinda's multiplication problem and find missing digits for Laurel. Now, guys, I think this one's really super easy. Let's see if I'm right. If we're going to take a number times 8, a two-digit number times 8, which is a pretty big number to multiply, and we're only going to get a two-digit number, our numbers on top are going to have to be pretty small. Not only are they small, but they're going to have to be something that equals a 6. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. Okay, that's an option. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56, so it could be a 7 or a 2. All right. If we go 8 times 7, we get 56. We get a remainder of, we're going to regroup a 5. And if we go 8 times 1, even if we find the smallest number, 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5 is 13, won't equal a two-digit number. Therefore, we've eliminated the 7. Now we put a 2 up here. 8 times 2 is 16. Remainder, or regroup 1. 8 times the smallest number you can find is a 1, is 8 plus 1 more is 9, and we still almost went over. So again, we're thinking small, 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 small. Now if they would have equaled a 3 or a 4-digit number, you're thinking big, 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 big. So that should help you on those. All right, great job, guys. You got the whole front side done. B work so far. If you're going for A plus work, you got to flip it back over, divide it into 6. Stay tuned for the second video. Fill this up. A plus 4.0. That's your goal. Let's get it.